Hello everyone! So in this video, we are going to talk about procedure text. What is procedure text? Procedure text is a text that explains how to make or use something. The social function of procedure text is to describe how something is completely done through a sequence of steps, and the communicative purpose of this text is to describe how something is made through a sequence of actions or steps. So, we already know about the definition of procedure text and its social function. And now, let's check your understanding by answering these questions. Okay, now let's listen to Iman Ariski's explanation about procedure text.
Okay, the next is about language feature of procedure text. It's used adverbial or sequence or using temporal conjunction, such as first, second, then, and last. And the next is use common imperative sentence. For example, put the noodle on the cup or put the noodle on the plate. And the next is use action verb. For example, make and take. And the last is use simple present tense. Why we use simple present tense in the procedure text? Because text is done when we do activities in the present. Okay, we already know about language feature of procedure text. The next is about example of procedure text.
Well, we have learned about the language features of procedure text. And right now, we are going to discuss about the example of procedure text, which is about how to make fried banana. And the first thing that we are going to discuss is the ingredients. So what are the ingredients to make fried banana? 1 ripe black-skinned plantain or 4 small finger banana, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 cup of flour, 1 egg, 6 tablespoons of salt, water, vegetable oil for deep frying. And the next one that we are going to discuss is the steps. So the first step is place flour in a deep mixing bowl. Make a well in the middle of the flour and add egg, sugar, and salt. Add water little by little. Whisk vigorously until batter is evenly smooth for coating and hot and not too thin. And if it is too thin, add more flour. And the second step is peel plantain or banana and cut in half lengthwise and then cut again with 4-inch width. Dip into batter to coat generously. And then heat oil in a wok or deep fryer until moderately hot. Place coated plantain or banana in the wok or deep fryer and fry slowly until golden brown and crispy. This usually takes approximately 10 until 15 minutes. Remove banana from oil, drain the paper napkins and dry well. And serve it while it's still warm.
Okay, and then we come to the next material of procedure text. The next is about generic structure. So, there are 3 main parts of generic structure in procedure text. The first is the goal. For example, the goal is how to make a coffee or how to make a fried banana. And then, the second part is ingredients. Ingredients is material that we use to making something in procedure text. And the last part is steps. Steps is the way we use to make something or to do something. So that's all the parts of generic structure of procedure text. Thank you.